हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल हैप्पी मम्मी। तो स्माइल देख के पता चल ही गया होगा कि ये मेरा प्लांट वाला ब्लॉग बनने वाला है। तो मैंने कुछ प्लांट ऑर्डर किया था अमेजोन से। सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी दैट अनबॉक्सिंग ब्लॉग। एंड हाँ, ये जेड मेरा आया था कल एंड मैंने ऑर्डर किया था मीडियम साइज़। ये आया था उगाओ से एंड मुझे मिला है एक छोटा सा प्लांट, वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड, एंड वो भी सिरामिक पॉट में मिला है। सो आई पेड अराउंड 427 rupees for that plant and this is not worth that. So इसमें आई एम वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड। सो लेट्स सी मेरा आगे क्या होता है प्लांट्स का स्टोरी। आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड।
But for birthday I'm not very excited. Plant very excited.
I'm excited for your birthday also. Okay.
Mother's coming on. Don't do it. This disappoints me. It's lovely.
Aha, this looks good. This is my Sansevieria. This is golden, no, not golden.
Green.
I'll just check the name and I'll tell you. This is one nice Sansevieria that I've got. The plant looks good. Let's see. And
Is it red? Don't take out.
where's my phone? I'll just tell the name also. So this is one of the many kinds of Sansevieria. I wanted to keep variety, so I got this one. I'll just check the name. Moonshine. Okay, this is moonshine. Snake plant. Moonshine. Variety is moonshine. And this is from Root Bridge. This I got from Ugao, and this is from Root Bridge. I'm quite happy with this, as expected. So let's move on to the next one.
Why not? I got very lost.
Baba, don't keep it down. Keep it down. I know. And finally, I'm an owner of Peace Lily. Yay! My Peace Lily is here. I'm very excited. Though somebody gifted me Peace Lily and it's very small, I wanted to buy one. So look at this, how nice and fresh. And I think this is going to flower also. I'm going to get a flower soon from this. Wait, I'll show you.
What is it? Mommy. Oh, really? Tell me, where is it? Oh, you're like flowers. Oh, where? Tell me, Mommy. Please show me.
So after getting rid of all the newspaper, I can see the roots here. तो जैसे कि देख रहे हैं सॉइल निकल गया है. सॉइल मेरे को ये रिपोर्ट करना होगा, पर अभी मैं ये रिपोर्ट नहीं करूँगी. आई लेट इट सिट फॉर अ वीक और सो एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू रिपोर्ट दिस. बट दिस इज ऑल्सो एज एक्सपेक्टेड. अच्छा लगा मुझे ये प्लांट देख करके. एंड द कैमरा मैन इज फीलिंग स्लीपी, so I'll have to hurry up. And this is, I think, the final one. And I'm very, very, very excited for this. Packing is very nice. There is a little window also for the plant to breathe. It is not totally packed and suffocating. And the brand that I got it from is Golden Art Exotic Plant Hub. Oh my god. I'm definitely going to drop the review for this plant. I'm so happy to see the size of this plant. I expected a very small plant, but this is my raven. Oh my god, my blackZZ is here. So let's see how it goes. And look at the size. Oh my god, this little baby looks broken, but I can replant it. That's not a problem. I'm very, very happy with the size. Oh my god.
Bye.
And look at it, how nicely they have planted it. Plant looks very healthy. This is my blackZZ. And this I got it for around 400, and it is quite expensive in nurseries also. 600 to 700 we get for a smaller size plant. So I think it was not a bad deal online, and to what price I paid, I got a good plant. So this is what I have got right now. My blackZZ, my peace lily, my moonshine snake plant, and this is the jade that I got. So do tell me which one you like the best. I'm happy with all of them. So my tip is going to be for you all is that let your plant, when you buy your plant, just let it stay in the house. Let it sit in your house to the new environment for 4 to 5 days, and then do the repotting. Unless it is urgently needed, it's in a bad shape or something, then you should do it. Otherwise you can just let it be. So I'm going to let this plant, all of them just be, and replant it if needed after 1 week. So see you all in the next vlog, and I'm loving it. I'm going to have a very nice dream sleep this time tonight. So see you all in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care, and please do subscribe to my channel Abby Mommy.